important series of lecture, and today we will deal with the topics of environment, and in environment today we will deal with topic called social forestry. Now before entering into the social forestry, let's discuss about the importance and relevance of social forestry in various types of examination. So in MPPSC examination, social forestry is an important component in the environment related section, which is present in our mains examination, and in UPPSC social forestry comes under environmental section in paper 3 of mains, and in RPSC, that is Rajasthan Public Service Commission, social forestry forms an important part in the paper called environmental science. So before entering into the topic called social forestry, let's discuss about the basic of social forestry, what exactly the social forestry is all about. So as the name suggests, social forestry, it is formed by the union of two words, social plus forestry. It means it is the application of forest as well as the forestry related practices in social environment. It means it is the practice of all those forest activities which are going to be performed outside the traditional and conventional areas of the forest. So we can define social forestry as the practice of forestry of the people, by the people, and for the people. So we can say that social forestry basically is about extending the forestry activities outside the conventional and traditional areas of forest in the social environment. Now if we talk about the objectives of social forestry, we have two types of objectives. First, social objectives, and second, environmental objective. Now in our social objective, the basic objective behind social forestry is to get food, fuel and timber, and to reduce the pressure on the traditional and conventional forest. So if we get food, fuel and timber outside the forest area, then definitely it is going to reduce the pressure on our traditional and conventional forest. Now second objective is employment. If forestry activities and forestry practices comes outside the forest area and it is being performed in the society, then definitely it is going to provide employment opportunity for the people living in the society. For example, it can give boost to the village and cottage industries also. Now the other environmental benefits is climate control. Now when we apply the forestry activities outside the forest areas, that is in the society, then definitely it will play an important role in mitigating the effects of environment, climate condition, etc. For example, nutrient cycling, water conservation, carbon cycle, hydrological cycle, and in controlling various climatic and edaphic factors also. Now coming to the components of social forestry have several components. First of all, let us discuss about farm forestry. As the name suggests, farm forestry means the application of social forestry in the farm as well as field. It means planting the trees outside or in vicinity of the agriculture field or agriculture farms. So at the same time, they will act as a barrier for wind, frost, etc., and they can act as windbreak and shelter belt, and apart from this they will provide an extra income to the farmers also. Now the second component is recreational forestry. Recreational forestry, as the name suggests, finds the application of social forestry relating to aesthetic value as well as tourism. When these trees are being planted outside the forest area and they provide medicinal and aesthetic benefits to the people, then it is termed as recreational forestry. Another topic is extension forestry. Extension forestry, as the name suggests, is the extension of forestry related activities outside the forest area to increase the afforestation and the reforestation. So it is an important tool to increase the reforestation and afforestation. Now urban forestry. Urban forestry also, as the name suggests, is the application of social forestry in the urban areas, and it will improve the urban environment as well as for the welfare of the urban people. Now we have the last component of social forestry, that is environmental forestry. Environmental forestry is also the application of social forestry in reducing the harmful effect of environment, and it is done by planting the trees in and around industry to curb the pollution and other related effects. So environmental forestry is an important tool to reduce the noise pollution as well as air pollution. We have studied about the mechanisms called green muffler, which will come under the environmental forestry to curb the harmful effects of noise pollution. So we can conclude that social forestry is an important application of agroforestry, which means to extend the forestry practices and the forest related activity outside the traditional and conventional areas, and it is done by the people, of the people, and for the people. So basically it is the forestry of the people, forestry by the people, and forestry for the people for the benefits of society at large. So this is all about social forestry. We will come with another video of important lectures related to environment, so stay tuned in.